Good morning, students. Here, Mrs. Neelam Jain from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you Geography, chapter number 10, that is Life in the Deserts. In my previous video, I have taught you the introduction part, what is desert and how many types of deserts are there, hot deserts and cold deserts. So, let's recapitulate. Desert means places where there is no water to drink, where there is no grass for their cattle to feed, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. Deserts are characterized by low rainfall. कि डेजर्ट हम उन किसको कहते हैं कि जहां पर रेनफॉल कम होती है, स्कैंटी वेजिटेशन होती है, जो पेड़ पौधे हैं, वनस्पति है वहां की, वो वहां कम होती पाई जाती है, एंड एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर्स मींस डेज आर extremely hot and the nights are extremely cold. So two types of deserts are there, hot desert and cold desert. Sahara Desert. So in hot deserts we take Sahara Desert. Students, in your book also Sahara Desert, you know where it is? It is in Africa. So this part here, this brown part, this is Sahara Desert. It is our world's largest desert area. Its area is about 8.54 million square kilometer, and it touches 11 countries. 11 countries touches which countries? Algeria, here Algeria, it's here Algeria, then Chad, Libya, this is Chad, then Libya, Mali, here Mauritania, this is Mauritania, Niger, this is here Niger, here below this along with this chart, Niger, then Sudan here, then after Sudan Tunisia, it is Tunisia, then after that, and Western Saharas. So this portion is, yes, Sahara Desert. This is called Sahara Desert. And in the world map also, I have taught you with the help of this world map. Here, this is Africa, and this part is what? Sahara Desert. Its area is how much? 8.54 million square kilometers, and 11 countries being touched by Chad. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. And these type of deserts have mushroom rocks. And student, you have also read in chapter number 5 कि water means life to plants, animals and people. It is difficult for anyone to live in places where there is no water to drink, where there is no grass for their cattle to feed on, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. We will now learn about the places in the world where people have learned to cope with extreme harsh temperatures, in some places as hot fire and some as cold as ice. So these are the desert areas of the world. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot deserts or cold deserts. The people inhabit These lands wherever little water is available to practice agriculture. Then comes about here, deserts are of two types. Deserts are of two types, hot deserts and cold desert. Yes. Hot desert, in that we include Sahara Desert. We include Sahara Desert. So when you look at the map of the world and the continent of Africa, yes, you will locate the Sahara Desert covering a large part of North Africa. It is the world's largest desert. It has an area around 8.54 million square kilometer. Do you recall that India has an area of 3.2 million square kilometer? The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. When you think of a desert, the picture that immediately comes to your mind is that of sand. कि जब हम डेजर्ट की बात करते हैं तो नेचुरली हमारे मन में आता है ना कि डेजर्ट एक ऐसा मरुस्थल एक ऐसा एरिया होता है कि वहां पे क्या होता है, रेत ही रेत होती है, सैंड होती है, क्या होती है, सैंड. And but besides the vast stretches of sands that Sahara Desert is covered with, there are also gravel plains and elevated plateaus. Plateaus, tableland. Plateaus क्या होती हैं? Tableland. These types of high and level land, that is plateau. So tableland we also call a plateau. So Sahara Desert is covered with, here there are also gravel plains are also there, gravel plains and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surface. These rock surfaces may be more than 2,500 kilometer high at some places. So very high rocks, rocky surfaces, very high here. So the Sahara Desert here, students, here this is a symbol for showing this brown parts. So these here countries are found in here Sahara Desert. Okay. So let's know about which type of climate is there in the Sahara Desert. In the Sahara Desert, the climate of the Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It has a short rainy season. The sky is cloudless and clear. Here the moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates. So if hot is there, then it will take less or more time. It will take less time to evaporate there over there. Days are unbelievably hot. The temperatures during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius. So heating up the sand and the bare rocks, which in turn radiates the heat, making everything around hot. So when too much heat will be there, naturally there will be radiation, much radiation. The nights may be freezing cold with temperatures nearing 0 degrees and nights becomes too cold. Then about flora and fauna. So which type of flora? Flora means which type of vegetation, and fauna, which types of animals are found here. So vegetation in the Sahara Desert includes cactus. It includes what? Cactus, date, palms and acacia. In some places there are oases. Oasis means waterly spot found in the deserts are called what? Oases. And green islands with date palms surrounding them. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are the prominent animal species having there. So here oasis, here waterly spot, oasis in the Sahara Desert. So scientists have actually found skeletons of fish in this desert. So what could have been happened here? So skeleton of fish are found here by the scientists. So maybe it was there any ocean, and due to natural calamity it converted into desert, and the fishes got buried in the sand on the seabed. So people, the Sahara Desert, despite its harsh climate, has been inhabited by various groups of people who pursue different activities. Among them are the Bedouins and Tuaregs. These groups are nomadic tribes rearing, and these are nomadic peoples. Nomadic people means people who keep on wandering here and there in search of their livelihood. Keep on moving from one place to another. So those are called nomadic people. Nomadical tribes rearing livestock such as goats, sheep, camels and horses. These animals provide them with milk, hides means hides, चमड़ा जो होता है ना पशुओं की जो खाल होती है, hides, from which they can make leather for beds, sleepers, water bottles. Hair is used for mats. Animals here used for making mats, carpets, clothes and blankets. They wear heavy robes as protection against dust storms and hot winds also. So the oasis in the Sahara and the Nile Valley in Egypt supports settled population. Since water is available, the people grow date palms. People grow here date palms. Crops such as rice, wheat, barley and beans are also grown. Egyptian cotton, famous worldwide, is grown in Egypt. The discovery of oil, a product in great demand throughout the world, in Algeria, Libya and Egypt, is constantly transforming the Sahara Desert. Means अब जब यहाँ हमें पता चला कि यहाँ पर क्या है, ऑयल के क्या है, वेल्स हैं, ऑयल वेल्स हैं, सो इससे क्या हुआ, Sahara Desert is being changing constantly. Other minerals of importance that are found in the area include iron, other minerals, iron, phosphorus and manganese and uranium. The cultural landscape of the Sahara is undergoing change, and gleaming glass cased office buildings tower over mosques and superhighways crisscross the ancient camel paths. So means there is development due to oil wells, due to minerals. Trucks are replacing camels in the salt trade. Tuaregs are seen acting as guides to foreign tourists. More and more nomadic herdsmen are taking to city life, finding jobs in oil and gas operations. Oil and natural gas. Gas means natural gas operations. Then depressions are formed when the wind blows away the sand in the depressions where underground water reaches the surface, and oasis is formed. An oasis is formed when the depressions where the underground water reaches the surface, then oasis is formed. These areas are fertile where oasis is found. Waterly spots are found. That naturally, if water is there, then that area will be most fertile. Fertile means upjao. So people may settle around these water bodies and grow date palms and other crops. Sometimes the oasis may be abnormally large. It can be large in size. Then Tafilalet oasis in Morocco is a large oasis with an area of about 13,000 square kilometer. 13,000 square kilometer. Then it's the cold desert, Ladakh. Okay. After that, you will read about the cold desert, that is Ladakh. Okay. Ladakh, it is made up of two words. La meaning mountains. La means mountain pass, and Dak meaning country. Dak mean D-A-K means country. It means country. So in the next video, we will learn about the cold desert. Yes, about Ladakh. So geographical features of Ladakh, situated in the Great Himalayas in Jammu and Kashmir, enclosed by Karakoram range in the north and the Janskar mountains in the south. You will locate where is Janskar mountains. Okay, you will locate in the here map of India. Indus flows through Ladakh. Altitude varies from 3,000 meter to 8,000 meter. Climate over there extremely cold. Air is extremely thin. Day temperatures just about 0 degrees Celsius. Day temperature is 0 degrees Celsius because it is cold desert. So night temperatures below minus 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall as low as 10 centimeter every year. Then flora and fauna, sparse vegetation, groves of willows and poplars grow in the valley. Fruits such as apples, apricots and walnuts grow in summers. Birds, robins, redstarts, Tibetan snowcock, raven, etc. Animals, wild goats, wild sheep, yak, etc. found here. And people, we will learn about the people, either Muslims or Buddhists. Famous monasteries, Hemis, Thikse, She and Lamayaru. People cultivate barley, potato, peas and beans in summer. National highways 1A connects Leh to Kashmir. And tourism a major activity over here. And in hot desert, yes, which was a major activity. Yes, oil refineries and natural gas. So we all will read about this, the cold deserts, Ladakh in detail in the next video. And till then, stay alert, stay healthy, and try to read also from your NCERT book. And till then, take proper care. Thank you, and mask yourself also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.